Hey, beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for dropping by. In Donna's live yesterday, she reminded us just how far she's come and where God has brought her so far. Today, I will be centering my talk about the incredible work Donna has been doing and why she genuinely deserved the success she's achieved so far. From her tireless community efforts to her compassion for those in need, Donna's journey speaks volumes about dedication and faith. And guys, for all of you attending the Shades of Pink today, enjoy the event. It's a celebration of resilience, strength, and support. And it should be a motivator for all of us to help others, help people in our community, do whatever we can to help those who are struggling along the way. People admire Donna for her authenticity, resilience and generosity. Her straightforward approach and willingness to help those in need resonates deeply with her audience. Donna's charitable work has created a strong connection between her and her followers, who sees her as someone who truly cares about her community. And, she cares about people worldwide. Despite facing criticisms and betrayals, she remains grounded and continues to support those around her. This combination of strength, humility, and compassion has built her a loyal fan base that values her as more than just an influencer. She is viewed as a trusted figure and a role model for many. Some individuals struggle to leave Donna alone because of deep-seated emotions like jealousy, resentment, or the need for validation through drama. Aunty Donna's success, charm, and strong community influence have made her a focal point of both admiration and rivalry. In social media public eye, some people feel compelled to stay relevant by engaging in feuds or controversies with her, even if it leads to long-term animosity. Letting go in this context would mean stepping back from the attention or influence they feel they gain from the conflict, which is going to be difficult for them to do. So for those of you who don't know Miss Donna, Aunty Donna is known for various charitable efforts, especially her outreach for the less fortunate within Jamaican communities. Some notable examples include providing food and essential supplies to families in need and supporting children's education by assisting with school fees and supplies. Additionally, she often raises funds or partners with her audience to help the community members facing health crisis or financial difficulties. She's also helped out a lot of baby mothers, and we've seen how many of them have tried to exploit this. Every time they have a baby, when they need help, they come to Donna. But Donna has realized that, to keep on helping these baby mothers would be like her enabling them to carry on having more babies without the input of the fathers. Her charitable acts resonate with her followers who value her commitment to uplifting others without expecting anything in return. I don't know how many of you can remember from the very beginning, Julia and Saloni Anderson are among the people that Donna helped in her charitable work. Donna has often shared their story with her audience, using her platform to rally support for their need. For instance, she coordinated assistance for Saloni in the form of financial aid, groceries, and other essentials with contribution from both her personal effort and her community. She's also helped Saloni to get a house. By helping them, Donna has highlighted her mission to provide support and hope to people facing difficult situations in Jamaica. So Aunty Donna has made a huge impact by building homes for individuals like Shan, Little Miss and Saloni, who faced extreme hardship. For Shan, whose living condition was dire, Donna coordinated funds and managed the construction process to provide a stable home for them. And along the way, she was still receiving fight from the naysayers. But, this did not stop her from carrying on with the work that she feels that God has called her to do. Similarly, Sharika and Little Miss, both of whom struggled with poverty, were recipients of Donna's generosity. By mobilizing her audience and resources, Donna not only built homes but gave these families a sense of security and hope and a fresh start in life. This dedication to the community upliftment has cemented her reputation as a true humanitarian in Jamaica. Shanae Bowers is another individual Aunty Donna has helped along with the recent efforts to support students in Jamaica. Aunty Donna's assistance for Shanae and other individuals includes not only financial aid but also resources to help improve their living condition. In addition, she has extended her generosity to students by helping to cover educational expenses such as school supplies and tuition fees, often rallying her followers for additional support. Her continued effort has made a tangible difference in the lives of many, especially children and families who have struggled to afford education resources. So, despite Aunty Donna's significant charitable work, she faced criticism and negativity from some individuals. These can only stem from jealousy, misunderstanding, or differing opinions about her methods and motives. Some critics may view her success as unearned or feel overshadowed by her popularity. Additionally, the visibility of her life on social media can invite scrutiny, where any misstep or perceived inconsistency can be amplified. This complex mix of emotion often leads to backlash regardless of a positive contribution to the community. So guys, Aunty Donna's reminder of her journey is a testament to the rewards of doing good. We each receive blessings in time, and Donna's success is proof of God's hand at work. Shades of Pink in Florida is an event that some may envy and some will envy, especially those who choose to focus on Donna rather than pursuing their own path. As a result of this, Donna has come along and overtaken them because Donna has kept her eyes on her own prize. By staying focused and committed to helping others, Donna has pulled far ahead in the race for success. So guys, enjoy Shades of Pink tonight, a wonderful initiative from a truly insightful mind. One love, and have a blessed day, blessed night, wherever you are in the world.